In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start sending your first newsletter using Mailerlite Classic. If you've been looking to dive into the world of email marketing or enhance your current strategy, stick around because in just a few minutes we'll walk through the essentials to get you up and running. First, you're going to need to head over to Mailerlite's website, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you can log into your account by clicking the Login button, prominently displayed on the homepage. Now, if you prefer a quicker way to access your account, you can opt to sign in with Google. This feature offers a seamless and secure login experience, sparing you from remembering yet another password. After successfully logging in, navigate to the dashboard. You'll want to focus on the Campaigns section to begin creating your newsletter. Go ahead and click on Campaigns to get started. Once there, look for the Create Campaign button to begin drafting your first email newsletter. You'll encounter options here, so opt for the regular campaign type, which is ideal for standard newsletters. An important part of any campaign is the campaign name. Type in a name that reflects the theme or purpose of your newsletter. This will help you stay organized as your email list grows. The subject line is equally crucial because it's the first impression your subscribers will have. Craft a compelling subject that piques curiosity or offers value right from the inbox, type it in and move ahead. Next, it's time to select your audience by clicking on Recipients. This will guide you to choose who will receive your newsletter. While creating your first campaign, it's usually best to target all active subscribers, ensuring your message reaches everyone on your list. Click on All Active Subscribers and then hit the Select button to confirm your choice. With your audience set, click on the Next Content button. This will lead you to the fun part, designing your newsletter. Mailerlite provides a template gallery brimming with various design options, so click on Template Gallery to browse. Take the time to select a template that best suits your brand's style and message. Once you find the perfect match, go ahead and click Choose. If you want to make any custom adjustments to the template, you have the flexibility to do so. Edit a way to ensure it aligns with your brand's identity. When you're satisfied with your creation, click Done Editing. This will bring you back to finalize your campaign. Finally, review everything to ensure accuracy and completeness. If everything is in order, you're ready to send your newsletter. Simply click Send, and watch as your first newsletter journey begins. Congratulations, you've successfully set up and sent your first Mailerlite Classic newsletter. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.